Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Crypto collapse, Coinbase rattles sabers at the SEC, Voyager sale collapses, Terra Luna, Binance. Coinbase takes on the SEC. Crypto bitterly resents any possible regulation. It's an industry of proud scofflaws. This presents some difficulties to regulators, who are used to financial firms that listen to them. Coinbase keeps demanding regulatory clarity. What this means is that they want special permission to do things that are presently just illegal. FTX blew up spectacularly in November, and its CEO and top execs were indicted for fraud. In the wake of FTX's collapse, the SEC has the political backing it needs to get much more serious about making crypto exchanges comply with rules that have always been there. In the meantime, the SEC's lack of jackboot status enforcement over the last decade has allowed Coinbase to grow larger and larger, which means that Coinbase has bigger guns to challenge the regulator with. In July 2022, Coinbase petitioned the SEC to make a clear framework for crypto asset trading. Coinbase handwaved that putting unregistered securities on a blockchain was a paradigm shift from existing market practices, rendering many of the commission rules that govern the offer, sale, trading, custody, and clearing of traditional assets both incomplete and unsuitable for securities in this market. Petition 2022 PDF. The SEC didn't respond because this claim is just stupid, and in the time since have stated repeatedly that they think the Howey test of what is a security in the US is just fine. In March, the SEC sent Coinbase a Wells notice saying that they were going to file an enforcement action. Coinbase promptly filed a petition for a writ of mandamus to try to force the SEC to respond to their July 2022 letter. The petition pounds on the table and cites an extensive range of blog posts as legal authorities. The introduction sets the tone. Contrary to the prior actions and statements of the Commission and its officials, the SEC chair now claims that it is clear the securities laws already apply to digital assets and platforms. Never mind the Dow report from 2017, let alone the past century of judicial precedent that securities laws apply to what you do, not what you call the assets you are trading. A security is a security is a security. And the SEC has been very clear, it's saying that most crypto tokens are securities. There are rules for trading in those securities, and Coinbase needs to comply or stop trading in them. As Gary Gensler's latest dad joke video puts it, many crypto platforms are just pretending that these investment contracts that they offer are more like goldfish. It's not a lack of regulatory clarity. Coinbase pivots to video. Coinbase has also put up its response to the SEC's Wells notice. The exchange claims that the SEC approving the company's S-1 filing to go public surely constitutes approval of all its possible business lines, a claim that crypto pumpers have been promoting heavily. This theory is, in legal jargon, on crack. Coinbase also confidently asserts that none of what's listed on the exchange is a security. None of it. Coinbase theory is that a given asset is a security only if and when it's determined in court to be one, despite extensive legal precedent that something can be a security before it's registered or has come to the SEC's attention. It's just not possible to run a digital assets exchange trading in securities that follow SEC rules, Coinbase pleads. Apparently, this is a problem for the SEC, not for the violators. Coinbase has threatened the SEC with a scorched earth legal battle. If the Commission pursues this matter, it will face a well-resourced adversary that will necessarily be motivated to exhaust all avenues, much as Ripple has been. We think this is unlikely to get the SEC to back down. So confident is Coinbase in its legal position in the Wells notice that it's making videos to reassure its user base that all is well. This just makes Coinbase look desperate and clownish. Winners don't make promotional videos for their legal filings. Why is Coinbase so insistent on trading unregistered securities? Because Coinbase's business is in deep trouble. Trading volume on the exchange is through the floor. It's dropped to $26.8 billion so far in April. March was $49 billion in total. This is the lowest volume on the exchange since the crypto crash. Binance US pulled out of its $1 billion purchase of Voyager Digital. On Tuesday, April 25, Binance sent Voyager a letter canceling the sale. Voyager will now proceed to liquidation as it probably should have when it first declared bankruptcy in July 2022 and give the creditors whatever's left. Voyager's lawyers said in a Wednesday hearing that they were surprised by the letter. Binance was still talking with them about the deal up to the previous Friday. Likely recoveries for Voyager creditors are in the range of 40% to 65%. Imagine how much creditors' money Voyager could have saved on expensive bankruptcy professionals if they'd just gone straight for liquidation 9 months ago. Recoveries would have been on the order of 70%. The ongoing good news for Terra Luna. Terraform Labs has answered the SEC's February suit, which claims that the collapsed UST stablecoin and its free-floating twin Luna were offered as securities. The SEC's case asserts that UST was part of Terraform's Anchor protocol investment scheme because you had to first buy UST to get into Anchor. Terraform wants the suit dismissed on the grounds that digital assets can't be securities. Good luck with that one, guys. And even if they can, UST was a stablecoin, and therefore can't be a security. Terraform's motion appears to be written in crayon. Crypto VC firm Paradigm submitted an amicus brief in support of Terraform's very stupid theory. Paradigm argues that SEC's premise for treating stablecoins as securities would radically and impermissibly expand the definition of a security. Terraform Labs co-founder Daniel Shin was finally indicted in South Korea along with 9 others. Shin is facing charges that include violating capital markets laws. Du Quan, the other co-founder of Terra, was arrested in Montenegro last month. Price prediction. Terra Classic price today is $0.000103 with a 24-hour trading volume of $32.05 million, market cap of $607.79 million, and market dominance of 0.05%. The LUNC price decreased -2.06% in the last 24 hours. Terra Classic price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 3, 2023 at 16:33, the general Terra Classic price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 3 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 30 signaling bearish signals. LUNC price prediction was last updated on May 3, 2023 at 16:33. Terra Classic key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.000106, Terra Classic has support levels of $0.000105, $0.000104, and the strongest at $0.000103. Similarly, Terra Classic resistance levels are at $0.000108, $0.000108, and $0.000110. Terra Classic reached its highest price on April 5, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time high of $119.01, while Terra Classic's lowest price was recorded on May 13, 2022 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.00001651. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.00001651, cycle low. The highest LUNC price since the last cycle low was $0.000590, cycle high. The Terra Classic price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Terra Classic's current circulating supply is 5.90 T LUNC out of max supply of 6.88 T LUNC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1,715,276.55%, meaning 5.90 T LUNC were created in the last year. Terra Classic is currently trading below the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling sell for the last 88 days, since February 4, 2023. The price of Terra Classic is currently below the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling sell for the last 73 days, since February 19, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 134 days ago, on December 20, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on November 27, 2022, which was 157 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Terra Classic's 200-day SMA will drop in the next month and will hit $0.000154 by June 2, 2023. Terra Classic's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.000108 by June 2, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 35.16, which indicates that the LUNC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Terra Classic price prediction, the value of Terra Classic is predicted to rise by 2.27% and reach $0.000106 by May 8, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 64, greed. Terra Classic recorded 16/30ths, 53%, green days with 6.36% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Terra Classic forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Terra Classic. Comparing Terra Classic against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Terra Classic price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Terra Classic price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, LUNC price prediction for year 2026 is $0.002454 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Terra Classic would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $0.000282. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and will do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.